Prairie Street Co, your luxury kosher experience. Our website, prairiestreet.co, is your one-stop shop for luxury kosher meat. Log on now to shop for your favorite selection of USDA prime, dry-aged beef, veal, and lamb. With only a 2 to 3 business day shipping anywhere in the country, there's always time to order freshly frozen kosher meat for your next holiday or Shabbat needs. Head to our beautiful new website, prairiestreet.co, to place your order, see our delicious recipes, watch our fun chef-led tutorials, download our latest ebook, and watch our exciting new podcast, A Walk Down Prairie Street with Elliot Moskowitz, founder and CEO of prairiestreet.co, when he interviews the most interesting personalities in the Jewish and secular world. With Prairie Street Co at your side, we will show you how to cook an unforgettable luxury meal right in the comfort of your own home. And with new content coming weekly, make sure to subscribe so you don't miss a thing. Subscribe to our channel now and set your notifications so you don't miss our latest recipes and chef-led tutorials. Then head over to prairiestreet.co to shop for your next big meal.